Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox Insta 360. I ordered this from Costco and it's coming as Insta 360 Adventure bundle, action camera adventure bundle. So we're going to unbox this. I got it from Costco as you see. And I also got a couple of other things from Best Buy. This is the best deal I could find. It costed me around $458 including shipping and taxes. The original cost is $429 for this bundle. Looks nicely packed. The bundle we got. So this is adventure bundle. It has nice picture of Insta 360 in the front, and this is 8K, and this is what it tells what is coming in the adventure bundle. In the box is one Insta 360X4 standard lens guards. So there are two Type-C to C cable for charging, and protection pouch, lens cloth, quick start guide, and warranty card. Extra accessories is it is coming actually with an extra battery which costs like $35, or I think recently I saw on Best Buy it was $44. So that's extra benefit from getting from Costco. Memory card is not included in what is coming from Best Buy, so it's sold separately. This is I think 256 GB. An invisible selfie stick is about $24. So all these are in this bundle, which we have to pay separately when we get it through Insta 360 website, insta360.com or Best Buy. I did get fast charger hub. This is this is for 3 battery slots, and this costed about approximately $49.99. And I got a motorcycle bundle from Best Buy, so this also costed about $49.99. It has a handlebar mount as well as like GoPro or helmet mount. So we will be unboxing these in next videos. Maybe I'll just unbox this for now. And I have ordered a screen protector from Amazon and 1 terabyte of SanDisk from Amazon, which is cheaper on Amazon as compared to Best Buy, which was costing me $139.99. On Amazon it is coming about $93, I think. Yeah. So we're gonna unbox it and see what is in here. So this is what we have in the box. Nice, well protected. This is 256 GB Insta 360 micro SD card. Let's keep this away. And this is the battery. Let's see what is here. Okay, I think this is like in the back to hold it. Or the accessories. Yeah. This is packaged very nicely. very nice and smooth bag. This is type C, C to C cable. I have these in my store. And this is like a cleaning cloth for the lens. This thermal grip cover, and that's a case for Insta 360. Now let's come to Insta 360. So I'm looking if there should be more. I think the lens guard is right here. Let's see, what do we have? These are nice booklets, waterproofing, what to know, safety guidelines, and warranty card. So overall I feel it's a very nice package, and the accessories are expensive, so you can keep adding. And here's the selfie stick. This is 114 millimeter, I think 114 centimeter, and I'm just looking. So there is a screw here which goes under the camera. All right, I still have to explore it more, how it works. So yeah, that's pretty much about unboxing Insta 360 Adventure Bundle from Costco. And that's it. Thank you for spending time and watching this video. Thanks.